Awareness about blood group type is important during transfusion because if mismatched, it may lead to hemolytic disease of the newborn, hemolytic transfusion reaction, or kidney failure. Over red blood cell surface, antigens are expressed, and as of 2009, total 308 antigens had been discovered by International Society of Blood Transfusion. New antigens are still being discovered, and recently the antigen number has reached to about 600. The International Society of Blood Transfusion grouped the antigens into several different blood group systems, where the antigens of each blood group system are controlled at a single gene locus or by two or more very closely linked homologous genes with little or no observable recombination between them. The two most common blood group systems are ABO and RH. In ABO system, there are two antigens, antigen A and antigen B. These two antigens gives four possible combinations and hence give rise to four blood groups, which can also be calculated by applying the formula 2 to the power n, where n is the number of antigens. Now put it in the formula, then we will get 4, that is 4 blood groups. RH is the second most important blood group system, in which 50 plus antigens are present, but RHD antigen is most important. And when we consider this single RHD antigen of RH blood group system along with the two antigens of ABO blood group system, then we will have 3 antigens. And these 3 antigens give rise to 8 different possible combinations and hence 8 blood groups. It can also be calculated by applying the formula 2 to the power n. Put 3 in the place of n, then we get 8, that is 8 blood groups. Similarly, if we consider all the antigens of all the blood group system, then we will have 600 known antigens recently. And if we put all these antigens in the formula, then we will have more than trillions of blood groups. The number is such big that we can't even count it. Take a look. 2 to the power 600 equals to 1 trillion into 2 to the power 560. 1 trillion blood group is only by considering 40 antigens. Remaining 560 antigens are still to be calculated. But antigens of ABO blood group system and RHD antigen of RH blood group system is considered more, and we don't have to take much care about other antigens because of two reasons. First reason, the other antigens do not much react with the immune system as A, B and RHD antigens do. That's why these do not produce any serious consequences. Second reason, most of these antigens are present predominantly in the population, so there are very less chances for the presence of corresponding antibody in the recipient's blood.
Please like and share my YouTube channel, and if you like to watch more videos like this, so please subscribe.